Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pidway. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another strategy like this. So guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video I'm going to provide you another powerful strategy which you can use to trade on boom 500 5-minute time frames. And this wonderful setup is something that can really help you to catch up a lot of profit in the market. As you can see now, we are on the live trade and you can see what the profit is running now. So guys, let me explain how you can set up this particular strategy and how you can make use of this strategy to catch up a daily profit on boom 500. And also this strategy works on all crash and boom index. So I'm going to make another video on boom 1000 and crash 1000, but inside this video I'm going to explain how it works on boom 500 only. So guys, as you can see, we have our envelope there, we have our envelope here, we have our level at this particular area, which is very important. We have our Bollinger Band, we have our moving average, and we have our envelope. You see, these are very important. These are very area that we need to study very well. You see, our blue line that we are seeing here that is crossing over is what we have as our moving average, and our Bollinger Band are the three green line that you see that's moving on the screen. And we have our envelope on the two parallel line that is moving above and below the indicator window 1. You see that? So guys, what you need to do trading this particular strategy is to make use of your 90 level and also make use of your 10 level. If you are using this particular strategy to catch up a sell entry on boom 500, then you need to wait for this confirmation to reach your 90 level. Anytime it's crossing like what we are seeing at this particular area, you see when the first red line, which is the moving average, is crossing over our envelope, then this will be the right time for you to enter this particular trade. As you can see here at this particular area now, you can see we have our red and we have our blue moving above it on the 90 level at this area. So you can enter at this particular point that the two meet together, or you wait for that moving average to cross over the envelope on the 90 level. So your entry will be around this particular area. And you can use it to scrap down the market, like what you see that I'm doing currently. So that is the point that you will need to enter this particular entry. You see, we have another confirmation at this particular area. You see what happened here? We have our moving average and the last envelope moving together above the envelope 9. You see what happened here? They move below the envelope 9 with both the Bollinger Band and the moving average, which you are seeing at this particular area. So they move below it on the 10 level, and this will always give us a buy entry. And what do you see next? You keep on catching up your spike, and you can set up your stop profit on the second Bollinger Band, or you wait for the third Bollinger Band to confirm. You see, you can exit the market at this particular area. So this is how you can keep on trading this particular strategy, and you can keep on making a lot of profit with it. You see what happened here? We have the first Bollinger Band above our envelope, and we also have our moving average that cross above it at this level. You see, you might enter your trade at this particular spot, at this particular area, or you wait for this moving average to reach your 90 level, which is going to give another confirmation here for an accurate areas before you keep on taking a down entry. You see what happened there? So that's exactly how you can trade this market successful. And as you can see at this particular area too, we have another confirmation here, which give us a level on a 10 level, and you can easily enter your market at this particular area and keep on taking your your spike entry until you have your full profit in the in your profit. So we have another confirmation at this particular area. I told you guys that we are going to be having our first Bollinger Band and the moving average moving above the envelope 9. You see exactly what is happening here. On the 90 level, they both move above it, and you already find your entry, your suitable entry at this particular area, and you keep on downloading your profit every time. Same thing happen here at this area. Same thing happen here. Same thing happen here. You see what happened here? Our moving average moved below, and it was reaching the 10 level, and before the and we have another confirmation here also. You see what happened here? So it's what it give us a spike entry before giving us another confirmation at this area, which give us a right to take another entry backs. So guys, you can see exactly what we are saying. It happens in market time to time. It happens in market time to time. So you just need to wait and make sure that it respect each other. And exactly what you can see that we are downloading a lot of profits. You see this, you see exactly what we are mounted to now. So let me show you guys the settings of this particular strategy so that you also can set it up on your system. So we have our indicator window 1, which is our relative strength index. We have the period of 14. We have our style to be background of the color. You see, you must set this at the background of your color. So if you are using black color, make sure this color is also appear as black color. And also I have different level here. We have the 10, we have the 90, we have the 50, which is our take profit. Then you press on done. We also have our envelope here, which is the period of 7.5. We have our shift to be 0. We have our divisional to be 0.900. Our method is simple. We have apply to close, and we have upper band and lower band to be in this color. Then you press on done. And we also have Bollinger Band, which is the period of 20. We have divisional to be 2.000. We have our shift to be 0. We have apply to close, and we have our style to be in green color. You can choose any color of your choice. Then we have our moving average, which is the period of 9. We have shift of 0. We have exponential as a method. We have apply to close, and we have blue as our color. You see exactly what I told you guys. So once you are done with this, then you can set it up on your profit, and you can keep on downloading your profit. You see exactly what we are doing. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful strategy like this. Thanks.